chase. I attract. Everything meant for me comes back. Yeah. Yeah. I used to run toward things that didn't feel right. Now I move different, I'm moving my light. No more forcing, no more proving my worth. I know what I carry, I know what I'm worth. I've been healing, I've been learning my flow. Now I let go and just let it unfold. If it's aligned, it'll come naturally. I don't chase love, love comes to me. I trust the way it flows. I feel what's for my soul. No stress, I let it be. What's mine comes easily. I attract, I don't chase. Everything find me in perfect place. What's for me never pass me by. I'm aligned, I don't have to try. I attract, I don't chase. I'm moving peace, I'm moving grace. Love, abundance, they come my way. I receive it every day. My energy clean, yeah, I leveled up. Now I only deal with what's real enough. No confusion, no mixed signals here. If it's not clear, then it's not for me, dear. I'm the prize, yeah, I know my name. I don't beg, I don't chase no game. Everything I want already mine. I just let it come in divine time. I release, I receive everything that's meant for me. I align, I don't force. What is mine finds its course. I attract, I don't chase. Everything find me in perfect place. What's for me never pass me by. I'm aligned, I don't have to try. I attract, I don't chase. I'm moving peace, I'm moving grace. Love, abundance, they come my way. I receive it every day. And it always comes back.